I'm going to talk to you today about two of my favorite things, Java and cloud computing. I spend my day right now figuring out how to make Java work well on the cloud. And what I want to talk to you about today is some of the challenges for running Java applications on the cloud. The first is around multi-tenancy and how we actually drive up density in the cloud. So when you want to do this in a truly multi-customer kind of way, you need more controls. You need more ability to control the resource consumption of the JVM, to kind of put fences around applications as they run and share those instances, and enable kind of a secure and managed way to share those OS instances. The second thing, which we've been working on, which I think is really interesting, is some revolutionary new garbage collection technology called Balanced GC. And what Balanced GC does is really set the foundation for some of these problems that I talked about. It's a garbage collection technology that allows us to then optimize how we process that garbage collection data based on memory characteristics. Am I running on fast RAM? Am I running on SSD or some other technology? And optimize how we treat that data based on the memory characteristics of where it's stored. I'm pleased to announce that this technology around Balanced GC is something we've already delivered. With our latest release of our JVM, version 7, which we released back in September, we've made available now this advanced garbage collection technology. The second challenge is around your apps. So you have a foundation of Java running well on the cloud, and we can deal with the infrastructure. How do you actually make your application scale? And I want to focus in on one kind of core approach that people are using for scaling. And that is around elastic data grids. The challenge of scaling is how do you scale stateful applications? And that's where some new techniques have emerged over the last few years that really are designed to help you deal with state in a scale-out multi-instance architecture. IBM has delivered technology like this. We have a set of products, two in particular that are interesting. One is Webster Extreme Scale, which is our Java-based in-memory data grid product that supports all of these scenarios that I talked about. We have a subset of Extreme Scale as well called the Data Power XC10 appliance, which you can think of as a hardware appliance packaging model for Extreme Scale. The third area was around deploying and running those applications on the cloud. The picture on the right is kind of the model that you have to deal with today. What we want to do is switch the interaction to the picture on the left that says, let's just describe the app. Our commitment will continue forward. Maybe one of the big signs of that recently was our joining of OpenJDK last year. But we continue to invest heavily in Java. With that, thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the presentation.